In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to format an ebook in Kindle Create on KDP, an essential tutorial for beginners eager to dive into the world of digital publishing. Whether you're a seasoned writer or a newcomer, this guide will help you transform your manuscript into a polished ebook ready for the Kindle marketplace. So let's get started. First, you need to open Kindle Create. If you haven't installed it yet, you'll need to download and install it from the official Amazon site. Kindle Create is a powerful tool designed to make your formatting process as seamless as possible. Once you've got the application open, you're ready to move on to the next step. Now it's time to import your Word file. You'll want to take your completed manuscript, which should be saved in a Word doc or docx format, and bring it into Kindle Create. This process is straightforward. Simply click on the option to import, locate your file, and select it. Kindle Create will start analyzing your document to convert it into a format suitable for ebooks. While it's working, you might notice it automatically detecting chapters or sections, which will be very useful as you proceed. The next thing you'll need to do is choose the eBook option. When the system prompts you, it will offer different formats. It's crucial to select the eBook option because Kindle Create is optimized to help you make a digital book suitable for Amazon Kindle devices and the Kindle app. This choice will ensure that the layout, fonts, and other formatting elements are tailored for a high-quality reading experience on digital devices. Once you've selected the ebook option, you're ready for the exciting task of adding formatting. Kindle Create provides a wide range of features that allow you to enhance the readability and visual appeal of your ebook. You can start by adjusting the chapter titles, headings, and body text to ensure consistency and clarity. Make use of the tools to check the layout, align text properly, and ensure that images or graphics are positioned as intended. Don't forget about details like fonts and styles. Kindle Create offers a selection designed to render well on screens of all sizes. As you make changes, regularly use the preview feature to see how your ebook will look on different Kindle devices. This step helps identify any adjustments needed before the final export. Finally, once you're satisfied with the formatting and layout, it's time to export your ebook. Kindle Create allows you to save your work as a KPF file, which is specifically designed for easy upload to Kindle Direct Publishing. After exporting, you should conduct a final review. Check that all navigation, such as the table of contents, works correctly, and that everything appears as it should. Once confident that everything is in order, you can head over to KDP, where you'll upload your ebook and start the publishing process. And there you have it, a complete guide to formatting your ebook with Kindle Create on KDP. Following these steps will give your manuscript a professional finish, making it ready for the digital bookshelves. Don't forget to share and subscribe for more tutorials. Happy publishing!